Hey everybody, Jeffrey Powers here with Geekazine. Think magazine put in a geek. You've got geekazine.com. And I'm going to show you a little thing. Basically, if you need to log on to your Windows 8.1 desktop, there are different ways to do it. And one of those ways is to actually set up a picture password, and one's not to set up a PIN password. Now, it doesn't matter if you have a touch screen by any means. You can set up a picture password and go from there. I'm over at the PC settings, and basically what you would do is you'd go over to the corner. Let's just bring this desktop back up. You'd go to your corner, and of course you'd have your search here, and then you just type in PC settings, and it would show up right there. But of course I already have it up, so we'll bring it back up here. With PC settings, what you'd have is your PC. Let's zoom this in. You have PCs and devices, accounts, OneDrive, search apps, privacy, network, time and language, ease of access, and update and recovery. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go over to accounts. And as you can see, you've got your accounts, and I have my username and stuff like that. You can choose sign-in options. And over here, this is where everything goes. You can change your password. You can choose a picture password. You can choose a PIN and a password policy. We're going to choose the PIN this time. But a picture policy, simply, all you have to do is add one, put a picture in, choose different options. And you can use the mouse to do this. So it's not going to be any type of slide or anything like that. You choose 3 points in the picture, which you would zoom in on. And of course we could go through that, but I'm more interested in showing you the pin here. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a pin, and then of course we're going to verify our account info. And then once we do that, we're going to be asked for a pin, and if it's a 4-digit pin for your machine, and if you need to see your pin, you can choose that. So like if I do and do that, I can see that that's what I put in for the number, but that's of course not the number I'm putting in for my PIN. So once I'm done, I'm going to hit finish, and that's it. I've just changed the PIN. So now when I go to log in, instead of getting the picture password or a password, which I can definitely sign in with my regular password, I can get a picture password to sign in with, or the PIN to sign in with. I can do that there. To remove it, all you have to do is hit that remove button. Normally, I think it asks for a password, but since I just did it, I think it already knew my password. So I'm just gonna do this again. Put in my PIN, put in my new PIN. I hit finish. Now, next time I log in, I'll just click on the screen and I'll type in my PIN number, and I'm off to the races. That's through this whole account area. Through the PC settings, you go to accounts, and you go to your sign-in options. Now we can we can remove the picture password. Let's remove that. Let's add in a picture password. And of course, we got to verify my regular password. I can choose a picture. Let's just choose, let's choose this picture right here, me and Aljon from CES. So I'm going to open that up, and I'm going to say I'm going to use this picture, and then I'm going to hit, I can do 3 gestures, or I can just basically do 3 taps. I could go like this and slide over as you go from his left eye to my right eye. That's 1. And then I'll just click here for 2. And then, let's see, we'll go up here to the Gibson logo for 3. Now we've got to confirm it. So I can slide over to the eye. I can go down, and I can go up to the Gibson. Now I've just confirmed that, and I've got my picture password, of course. And of course, I'm going to change that back to what it was. So that's how you change your picture password. You change your PIN. You change your regular password for your Hotmail/Outlook account, and go from there. You can also change your password policy right here. And once again, that's all through PC settings. So you basically go to the, we'll go back to the desktop, do it again. And we'll go over to the corner here, bring up the search bar, and we'll type in PC settings, and then accounts, and then sign-in options. And that's it. Thanks a lot for watching. You can check everything out at Geekazine.com. Of course, Twitter me over at Geekazine, think magazine put in a geek, or Facebook.com/Geekazine, Google+. forward or plus.google.com/plus Geekazine. Jeffrey Powers here. Thanks a lot for watching.